is where I chose to mount them. If I'm sitting in the bedroom or even in the living room and this light goes off. Now usually as soon as I touch this handle, there it goes. And what are we getting for light? All the way out to the edge. Really, really bright. And what it covers out here is great too. So anybody approaching that door is going to set this off. It then stays on as long as it's sensing motion. And you can see this entire patio is lit up. Let's let it go out. Let's trip it again. There we are. So that's quite an effective light. And again, these came in a 4-pack. And I am just mounting these. You can see there's mounting screws here going through the screen enclosure. I just simply took one of them off right there and went right through the mounting bracket on the light. So I didn't have to drill any new holes or add any more issues to my support structure. But anyway, this light is covering this door. I'm right now about 15-20 feet away from it, and there we go. Wow, yeah, about 15. So the lights have come on. This is the area that's being lit up by. Let me back up so you get a better view of it. Quite bright. Obviously all the way out into the pool. Coming along the side, see when it picks me up, there you go. So here I am, further away from that now. Pretty good on the side. Now what I did to figure out the installation here, I wasn't sure how much sun I was gonna get. So I mounted it to this 2x4. Just a spare piece of wood I had in the garage. You can use anything you want, smaller, bigger. And that let me slide it throughout the day to the maximum sun. And then at night, I knew where my sunlight was coming. I actually slid it along also to where I got the maximum coverage in this area, so that as soon as I approach this door or as soon as I open this door, that little sensor is now picking me up and doing what I needed to do. See how dark this is. Watch this. Boom. Look at that. I mean, it lights up this entire area. The last with the lights now. What I did is I just went to Home Depot, got a planter. I do have some veggies in this thing, and screwed them into the side of it, and we're good to go. Also, I can move that around now in case the light's not really where I want it to be. It's a little bit of flexibility. Good approach to it. We're gonna try to trip the solar light. Look at that. So I am now the full length of the dock. I would estimate that's about 13 feet. And it's picked me up. And what kind of light does it cover? This is a pretty low installation too. You know, if we were to bring it back up, actually doesn't make that much of a difference. So even right here, I've got pretty much edge to edge on the dock.